What's up, guys? I'm Raniel.
Joshy. Okay, lala naman.
Out of my zone, bro.
Yeah, he's sick as fuck. I was like, hindi ko alam na pupunta siya.
Ako yung sub ni Clark kasi
Hindi siya pumapasok.
hindi siya pumapasok.
Oy, pumapasok naman si Clark. Oy, we love you, man. Pero,
Pasok ka.
come to work.
Eh, pumasok ka kapon.
Oo nga, definitely. Yo, we appreciate you, man.
Nakipag-date lang. Gusto nyo. Sana dito.
Hindi na siya ba?
Yeah. So, let's start with this. This is a Taylor Swift vintage shirt. Why did we get this?
Kalapag lang.
Hindi natin nakuha to.
Kay, yung si Taking Ken ba yung name sa Facebook?
Alright.
Di ka alam yung, ay hindi, ano nga yung Jam, si Jam.
Oh, si Jam. Yo, what's up, bro? Yun yung nag-fixie, right?
Ah, yeah.
Oo, sila. Well, any type of vintage merchandise naman. And, you know, T-Swift is a lifestyle. May mga supporters pa rin niya out there. You know,
Bago
even if...
album, wala pa siyang album yun.
I don't really know. Pero, it's here. How much are we selling it for? Like, come on, dude.
Mga 800 siguro.
800? God, that's steep, man. Anyway, T-Swift merch, like anything lifestyle related, you know. And it's
Normal lang ba pag binili yan ng lalaki?
I mean, you know, kung Taylor Swift fanboy siya.
I'd wear it.
Ikaw, you would definitely.
No, I won't.
So yeah, that's one of our latest pickups.
Okay, next up is this SpongeBob
Ito sa likod.
denim ba to or corduroy?
Parang it's,
Hindi, corduroy yung
corduroy
ano,
siya.
ito.
I don't know my materials. I won't
Alright.
say anything.
It's a heavy jacket. So as you can see, the details are embroidered.
Ito, ganda.
Heavy embroidery, actually, all over the jacket.
Magkano kaya gastos nito?
So, ito
this must
yung
be like peak shit.
favorite show ko hanggang ngayon. So, very, I don't know, it's a very iconic piece.
Di ba wala na
I'd wear it.
SpongeBob? Tapos ano ba?
Honestly, I'd wear
We
it.
got this piece from Carlos from Publicize. What's up, dude?
Binigay niya.
So, hindi lang si
binigay.
SpongeBob.
Thanks, man. Thanks,
Kung
man.
hinahanap ko si
This is-
Patrick,
Binigay ito
nandito
sa
siya.
Patrick.
Nandito siya.
This isn't for sale, by the way. We're just displaying this at the shop.
So if you're a SpongeBob hardcore fan, fortunately it's not for sale, pero
Yeah, this
you can
is
go
one
to
of
the shop and drool over this piece.
It's solid as fuck. It's solid as fuck. Yeah, feel free if you have a shoot or some shit, like SpongeBob team shoot, pwede yan.
Next naman is yung Honda na racing
Jacket, yeah. And these are very in-style yan eh. A lot of like NASCAR themed shit or racing themed items are popping up. And siguro it's
Matagal
because
na itong ganun.
Oo, pero yung mga pieces niya matagal na, pero resurgence of sorts sa community, you know. It's by Honda mismo. But with Dan Bird onward, or I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung collab or yeah, probably they use blank, so we don't know. Pero this is a good piece, ganda. Like, this is solid.
Rubber tape.
Oh,
And it's
some kind of rubber. That was like full embroidery at the back. I always love that about like, and definitely like mga NASCAR pieces, diba? Like sobrang dami din mag-embroider, like so much logos, yeah, so much logos. I love all that shit.
salita.
So guys, this is the Supreme Bouncy Ball. I think this was from the latest.
For first week.
First week.
Free gift siya.
Free gift
Every
set.
purchase ng Supreme.
Alright, yun.
Fall-winter 2018.
Nothing much I can say about this. It's
I-bounce mo na.
bounce na lang natin.
Bounce. So,
Ayun po, mga kaibigan. So, bounce siya. So
we're selling it for 1K.
you can get this bouncy ball for just 1K.
Ito naman, we got this chrome like Supreme hoodie from a customer. So yun, we got this for Super Steel Supreme hoodie. Anytime we get steals naman na Supreme, especially if they're at, you know, like ridiculously low prices, like Matic na yun sa shop, there's always a market for Supreme. That's why they're the premier example of resale culture in the community. They never really fall off, you know, even when not a lot of people are buying Supreme, no? I mean, you know, we were basically founded on that shit. You know, pre-orders, you know, and all that.
Next naman is yung Supreme Thermos. Ang pangit. Ang pangit ng gano'n. Sobrang sira-sira dito yung part dito. Pero pag kinuha mo daw to, yung parang wrap niya, yung paper, meron daw naka parang logo pa din.
Yeah.
Silver yan. Natatakot ako buksan.
Oo.
Kasi ito, pag binuksan mo naman siya, meron siyang kutsara na ano. Ito, pang kain mo. Merong nakalagay na Supreme din. Tapos, pag binuksan mo naman, dito malalagay yung mga pagkain mo. Pwede ba lagyan ng pagkain to?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, if there's a yeah.
Soup siguro. Soup siguro.
Definitely. It's a thermos, probably to keep.
Pwede rin naman kanin dito ah.
Pwede rin water.
Kanin.
Oh,
definitely.
Ito.
Colder hot.
Yeah, colder hot, definitely. So 9 hours for hot, 14 hours to keep for cold.
Yung tanong, paano pag hinugasan mo to itong Supreme, ito mawawala ba yun?
Oo nga. Like quality-wise, sometimes Supreme's items.
Diba parang laser?
Laser.
I don't think it's gonna get that.
Okay, cool. Etong like sticker shit, nakita ko yung nakatanggal yung gantong sticker.
Ano sa underneath?
Like there's a small Supreme logo. Super clean lang.
Paloob siya bro?
Hindi, meron sa parang meron may emblem dito sa.
Kung pwede ko lang tatanggalin eh.
Ako rin.
Anyway, it'll look better. Look it up online, Supreme Thermos. Galing ba yun sa latest release nila?
Hindi ko, nakalimutan ko anong second or third week ata eh.
Okay.
Ito, made in China siya. Ayun.
Alright.
Okay naman, solid naman.
Solid.
Tapos may mga papers kung ano.
Instructional care. The newest Supreme X CDG collab, it's here. It's super reminiscent. Talagang whenever Supreme collaborates with CDG, they split the logo Pero this time, they took it a step farther. Well, a step further rather. Parang they cut the T in half and restitched it. So, parang split T siya.
Ito yung sizing niya. Yung sizing niya parang true to size, no? Hindi na malaki.
I don't know, man.
Malaki.
This looks big to me. This is a large.
True to
It
size
looks super big.
True to size. Hindi na yung parang, hindi na oversized katulad ng...
Alright. Well, I don't know my shit.
Magsha-shirt pa to.
Cool. So yun. So it features a full-length split on the shirt. Tapos sa likod din, there's a full length across the body. Stitch.
Maganda ba ito?
Yeah.
So yung retail niya is 48 pounds. Kasi sa UK nawa eh. Tapos, ano masasabi? Ikaw, pag nabili mo ba retail, sususutin mo, bebenta mo?
I would definitely wear it. Ako kasi like, I'm not in the business of like
reselling.
Oh. Or, di ba? It's kinda ironic kasi I work here. Pero ako, I just buy shit that I'd wear, you know?
Pero, for example, may pera ka 25,000. Kasi resell ito nasa 20 to 25 eh. So, ikaw, pag may pera ka ganun, bibili mo ba ito for its quality or parang...
I'm rich as fuck. Definitely. I love CDG, I love Supreme. Look at this. I like it whenever brands collaborate. Tapos they have custom tags. So, I love that shit. Tapos...
Ano yung mas pipiliin mo? Itong box logo na ito or yung last year's CDG collab?
Ito.
Mas okay ito.
Yeah. Parang... Pero... Sa akin naman, they're all good, you know?
Ito, yung problema, yung print niya. Fade. Dahil sa seam.
Alright, moving on. What you saw on the shirt, you can exactly see on this hoodie. Hoodie form lang siya ng shirt, basically. So, you can see the half and half.
Hindi siya embroidered side.
It's printed on. Tapos, sa back part,
damn, same.
You can see that Comme des Garçons shirt print.
Damn.
This one is a size large, and just eyeballing it, feeling ko true to size din siya. Same with the shirt.
Malit pa nga ito eh.
The quality is very good. Makapal siya ng body.
Yung retail niya
as
is
usual,
158 pounds.
Terry Fleece Days.
So ayan, you see the tag, custom din siya. You can see Supreme, CDG, ayan. Both on the same tag.
Ito, pag nagpapa-LC kayo, pag kumukuha kayo ng mga CDG collab, yung pinaka the best ano talaga pag i-LC mo is yung tags niya. Yun talaga yung pinaka
best way of knowing.
Tapos here also, for LCing, may isa pang tag dito. So makikita mo yung instructions on how to wash it. Overall, it's a good piece. If I had the money, you know, to burn, I would.
Definitely, you know, that would become a staple.
So yeah, here's the...
Kasi ay walang hoodie last, ano diba? Last time. Meron ba? Ayaw nga pala, meron pala yung black and white pala.
My shit. So that's it, guys. That's our latest pickups. Medyo onti lang ngayon pero kasi
meron pa padating.
Oo, may padadating pa. So we're just waiting for
quality over quantity always.
Pero may quantity din kami. So quality and quantity, dog. So you know, season pass, new items every single week. Like
buy, sell, trade.
Oh, buy, sell, trade. Like we just don't say that. We're not saying that we're feeding the idea of more or surplus. Pero ano eh, it rotates a lot, our items, you know, like we're getting new items this week that we're able to do that kasi we unloaded a lot of other shit to other people before that. Talagang over here we're happy, you know, building this community. Thanks guys for supporting us. So yun, like that's our latest pickups. Hope to see you again next time.
We out.
Add you kami sa Fortnite.